Tunde. Got some fresh plugs in there too. Yo, what's good everybody? So this video's kind of been all over the place. It's actually been about a month now since I've been tuned. I've just been having way too much fun with the car, and I do want to get a lot more content out. I just need to stop being lazy and actually pick the camera up. But just a quick recap of everything that did happen tune date. So I got the car on the dyno. We did go with the Cobb Next Gen set. So we have this whole setup right here. I still have a Cobb catted downpipe. I still have my TGVs. I still have all that shit. So on 93, the car hit 397 and 370 torque. And on E85, the car hit 466, 435 torque. you know, for this being my first like really big build, you know, I think this car is fucking awesome. This car, 450 wheel, is absolutely insane on the street. This thing feels like it's fucking pulling you straight from your stomach back. Like, it's just weird. Like, I never felt a car feel this good before. Damn, this shit just looks good. Hold on. The car's running better than ever. Yesterday I actually took it to Lebanon Speedway up in New York, and we put this thing on the track. I have a lot of practice to do with the car. I still have a lot of learning to do, a lot of studying to do, a lot of research to do, but being on the track and tracking this thing and sending it down for a quarter mile, that shit is so fun. I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna keep going. I'll keep having fun, because that's really what this car is about. For me, this car is all about having fun and pushing the limits and still being able to daily drive it if I want to, you know. Everything's holding up absolutely perfect on this car. I'm actually gonna be going back. I gotta get in contact with my tuner, STI Mikey. I gotta see when he's back in town so I can schedule another dyno tune with him. The turbo still has a lot more that it can go. So right now on E85 we're at 24 psi, and the reason for that is because I actually didn't swap out the wastegate spring on the external wastegate. So that still has a 14 psi spring in it. I completely forgot to just change it out. So that's on my, you know, that's my fault. But for what the car is and for what we did to it and for the tune that the car has on it, this thing rips. I'm gonna be going back hopefully sometime the end of August, early September, and going for pretty much dyno day 2. I'm just gonna be swapping that spring out. I have a 19 psi spring at home. We're gonna throw that in the external wastegate. I'm gonna give the car back to the shop, have them do a pre-dyno inspection, smoke test it, do all that shit, make sure that we have a good dyno day. But I'm also considering getting rid of the dual port and actually closing this off with the block off plate that they provide and having this full atmospheric. Obviously I know I have to get a bung welded in for the speed density IAT sensor, but that's something I definitely want to do as well. I'm gonna be making a lot more content. I'm gonna be on it. I'm not lazy. I'm fucking inspired as fuck. So a lot more videos to come, a lot more content to come, and just a lot more fun. So before I get out of here, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little turn on. The car is warmed up, so let's see how she sounds. Ripped her at the track all day yesterday. Still drove home no problem. It sounds so good. This is also a new piece that I just got. It's a little dirty right now. Whole car's dirty. I'm about to give it a nice wash, but that's the APR carbon fiber, like license plate backing, I guess you could call it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and a lot more content to come. Peace.